Our planet is home to an incredible variety of life, a breathtaking collection of creatures great and small. To make sense of this vast living world, scientists have developed a wonderful system of organization. They group animals together based on things they have in common, like how they look, how they live, and how they are built. This system helps us understand the relationships between different species and appreciate the unique story of each one. Think of it as a grand library, where every animal has its own special section on the shelf, making it easier for us to learn about its life and its place in nature. This method of classification is known as taxonomy. These large groups are called kingdoms, and the animal kingdom is one of the most diverse and fascinating of all. It is filled with millions of different species, each adapted perfectly to its environment. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, animals have found a way to thrive. By studying these kingdoms, we begin to see the intricate web of life that connects every living thing on Earth. It is a journey of discovery that reveals the clever solutions nature has found for survival, growth, and reproduction. The sheer number of animals is staggering, and we are still discovering new ones every single year. Understanding these animal groups is not just for scientists in laboratories, it is for everyone. It helps us appreciate the wildlife we see in our gardens, in parks, and on television documentaries. When we know what makes a mammal or a bird, we gain a deeper respect for their existence. This knowledge empowers us to protect their habitats and ensure their survival for future generations. It connects us to the natural world in a more meaningful way, reminding us that we are part of this grand, interconnected system of life. Every creature has a role to play in the health of our planet. So, let us embark on a simple journey through the major groups within the animal kingdom. We will explore what makes each one special, from the warm-blooded mammals that nurse their young to the cold-blooded reptiles that bask in the sun's warmth. We will look at the birds that master the skies and the fish that navigate the silent depths of the water. Each group has its own set of rules, its own unique characteristics, and its own collection of astonishing creatures. It is an adventure into the very heart of what it means to be an animal on this beautiful living planet we all call home. Let us begin with a group of animals that includes ourselves, the mammals. What truly defines a mammal is that the mothers produce milk to feed their young. This is a unique and special bond. Mammals are also warm-blooded, which means they can keep their bodies at a constant temperature, whether it is hot or cold outside. This allows them to live in almost every environment on Earth, from the icy poles to the scorching deserts. Most mammals are also covered in hair or fur, which helps to keep them warm. Think of lions, elephants, dogs, and even whales in the great oceans. Birds are another group of warm-blooded creatures, but they have conquered the world in a different way through the power of flight. Their most defining feature is, of course, their feathers. Feathers are remarkable structures. They are lightweight yet strong, providing lift for flying and insulation to keep the bird warm. Birds also have beaks instead of teeth, and they lay hard-shelled eggs. From the tiny hovering hummingbird to the magnificent soaring eagle, birds fill our world with color and song. Their ability to travel vast distances connects continents and ecosystems across the globe, making them vital messengers of nature. One of the most charming facts about mammals is the sheer diversity within the group. The smallest mammal is the bumblebee bat, which weighs less than a small coin. In stark contrast, the largest mammal, and indeed the largest animal that has ever lived, is the blue whale. It is a creature of immense size and grace, living its entire life in the ocean. This shows the incredible adaptability of the mammalian body plan, which has evolved to succeed on land, in the air, and in the water. Every single one has found its own unique way to survive and flourish in its habitat. As for birds, they possess a remarkable intelligence and navigational skill. The Arctic tern, for example, undertakes the longest migration of any animal. It flies from its breeding grounds in the Arctic all the way to the Antarctic and back again each year, a journey of thousands upon thousands of miles. This incredible feat is guided by the Earth's magnetic field, the sun, and the stars. Birds are not just beautiful creatures. They are master navigators and athletes of the natural world. reminding us of the extraordinary capabilities that can be found in even the smallest of creatures. Now, we dive beneath the surface of the water to explore the world of fish. These creatures are perfectly suited for an aquatic life. Most fish are cold-blooded, meaning their body temperature changes with the temperature of the water around them. They breathe using special organs called gills, which extract oxygen directly from the water. Their bodies are typically covered in scales for protection, and they use fins to swim with incredible agility. From the shimmering shoals of tiny sardines to the powerful and solitary shark, the world's oceans, lakes, and rivers are teeming with an astonishing variety of fish. Next, we meet the amphibians, a group of animals that live a fascinating double life. The word amphibian means just that, two lives. They begin their existence in the water as larvae, much like fish, breathing through gills. A tadpole is a perfect example of this. As they grow, they undergo a remarkable transformation known as metamorphosis. They develop lungs to breathe air, grow legs, and move onto the land. This group includes frogs, salamanders, and newts. They have moist, smooth skin and must stay near water to prevent themselves from drying out, forever linking them to both land and water. A truly wonderful fact about fish is their incredible sensory world. Many fish have a special sense organ called the lateral line, which runs along the sides of their body. This line allows them to detect movements and vibrations in the water, helping them to find food and avoid predators even in dark or murky conditions. It is like having a form of touch that extends far beyond their own bodies. Some fish, like the electric eel, have even developed the ability to generate powerful electric shocks to stun their prey or defend themselves, a truly shocking adaptation. Amphibians also have their own set of surprising traits. Some species of frogs, particularly those living in very cold climates, can actually survive being frozen solid during the winter. They produce a natural antifreeze in their blood that protects their vital organs. When spring arrives and the ice thaws, these frogs thaw out too and simply hop away as if nothing happened. This incredible ability to endure such extreme conditions shows the resilience and adaptability of life, and the amazing solutions nature can devise for survival against the odds. It is a true wonder of the biological world. Let us now turn our attention to the reptiles, a group that often commands a mixture of fear and fascination. Like fish and amphibians, reptiles are cold-blooded. However, unlike amphibians, they are covered in dry, scaly skin. This waterproof skin allows them to live in much drier places, far away from water. Reptiles, including snakes, lizards, crocodiles, and turtles, breathe air with lungs their entire lives. Most of them lay leathery shelled eggs on land, a key adaptation that freed them from the need to return to water to reproduce. They are true masters of survival in some of the world's harshest environments. Finally, we come to the largest and most diverse group of all, the invertebrates. This single group contains more than 95% of all known animal species on our planet. The one thing they all have in common is what they lack: a backbone. This enormous category includes everything from insects, spiders, and crabs to snails, jellyfish, and worms. They are the small engines that run the world, pollinating our crops, decomposing waste, and forming the base of countless food chains. Their variety in shape, size, and lifestyle is almost limitless, a testament to life's incredible creativity. A fascinating fact about reptiles is their longevity. Some species of turtles and tortoises are among the longest living animals on Earth. The Aldabra giant tortoise, for instance, can live for well over 150 years, a living link to a time long past. Another interesting reptile trait is found in chameleons, which are famous for their ability to change color. While many believe this is for camouflage, it is more often used to communicate their mood, react to temperature changes, or signal to other chameleons. Their skin is a canvas for communication, a silent language of color. The world of invertebrates is filled with endless marvels. Consider the honeybee, which communicates the location of flowers to its hive mates through an intricate performance called the waggle dance. Or think of the octopus, a creature of remarkable intelligence with the ability to solve complex puzzles and change its skin texture and color in the blink of an eye to blend in perfectly with its surroundings. These spineless wonders show us that complexity and ingenuity are not limited to animals with backbones. Exploring these kingdoms reveals the endless beauty and importance of every creature, reminding us that we have a shared responsibility to protect this precious diversity of life.